friends, I'm Ansana. Basically, I'm from India and I am new to the platform of YouTube. I wish to become a vlogger and I always watched many vlogs. So, it's my passion to become a vlogger and I was waiting for a time to start it. And I think this is the time to start a vlogger because it's Corona time and many people are in quarantine and we are in lockdown in homes. So, I think I should start a vlogger today, and I'm a little bit crazy. So, shall we start? So today I'm gonna do some crazy things that I think I'm gonna do some reaction videos and I choose some funny pictures from Google. So I'm gonna do some funny things. I think we should start now. Sorry, first of all, I'm sorry, I don't know how to do a video. So, there are so many mistakes of doing a video. This is my first time I'm doing a vlog, and let's go. Today, I'm gonna do some funny reactions. I selected some kind of funny modifications of cars. So, let's see what the pictures are. I feel like it's funny and it's crazy actually. So let's see what they are. So the first picture is of a bike. Oh my god, what bike is it? It's like a snake. There is two seats. Oh, it's for family, I think. There are I think 8 people can sit in this with children. And the next picture is, what is this? It's a cardboard. Cardboard what? See, the cardboards are fixed with insulation tapes. It's crazy. Who made this? It's crazy. So what is this? So let's see the next picture. It seems funny, right? So the next picture is, oh, what is this? Is it a bike? How can he sit in it? I think it's a ladder fit into a wheel. It's crazy guys. See, I think it's not good to ride such a bike because it may go to accident. It's not good. Oh, what is this? I think it's a giant thing or a giant car or kind of thing. But actually it's a scooter. Crazy. It looks like a giant girl and see, it's crazy. An yellow scooter. Here is thick hair in it, and the front mudguard looks like a tongue. It's funny. Oh, it's an auto rickshaw. I think it's in India. So it's an auto rickshaw, a double decker auto rickshaw. And does it have any steps to get in the top part? Is it Photoshop or something? I think it's a Photoshop picture. It's crazy. I think many people can get in it. It's crazy and funny. But I think it's a Photoshop picture. So what is this? It's a bike. It's a super bike. But with a bicycle wheels. Who made this? It's funny. Who destroyed this super bike for modify this cycle? It's crazy. See, it's more funny. It's the most funniest picture I ever seen. It's funny. Oh, it's a jet, right? No, I think it's a car. It's a car made in the form of a jet. It's crazy and I think some people make it with passion, or I don't know. Anyway, it's good. What is this? Fish? Fish over a car? A giant fish over a car. Anyway, I think this is the car of a fisherman. And what is this? Is it a big shark? Anyway, it's funny. Who can ride such a car? Funny. What is this? It's weird. Bicycle wheels on a car? How can this wheels bear this car? Oh, I think it's alloys. Oh, I don't know. I think it's bicycle wheels. Anyway, it's funny. And how can we drive a car like this? Crazy idea. Who made this? What is this? Oh, it's a dog. It's a pulsar dog. Who made this? It's a pulsar dog bullet bike. It's crazy. The poor creature bears it. Oh, sad. What is this? It's an angel car? No, these are not wings. I think it's a piggy, but I like the color. Who made this crazy car? How can they make this? It's crazy. It's funny. Anyway, it's funny. What is this? Oh, it's a smiling car. See, there are so many teeth are here. Wow, it's funny. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know how much it is. Anyway, it's not the time for count the teeth. Anyway, it's funny. I think the car is smiling. He's posing to the photo, I think, like showing all his teeth, like this. Funny. And here is a bike. Not bad. The Hero Honda is modified with other bikes. Anyway, it's funny. So let's go to the next picture. Wow, eyelashes. It's not fun. It's car stickers. It's eyelash stickers. I like it. It's not funny. I like it. Oh, it's lovely. The car is looking beautiful, like Disney Princess Bella. And who is this? I think it's Snow White. I like it. Then what? Duke? See, what funny picture is this? It painted as a duke. Who crazy made this? I think it's an Indian. Anyway, it's crazy and funny. It's very crazy. What? Wow, the bike is made with a buffalo's head. Is it buffalo or an ox? Anyway, it's kind of cow, I think. So it's funny. I think it is the bike of the great Yamaraj. I think so. Anyway, it's funny. What is this? This is also a modified bike with a Pulsar's front part. Pulsar scooty. Anyway, funny. What is this? Is it a boat? No. What? It's a helicopter. It's a helicopter actually. See the leaves, the fan. It's a helicopter made in an auto rickshaw. Great idea. But this is not. Looks like a. This is actually looks like boat. Wow, crazy idea. Funny. I like it. It suits the best for this auto rickshaw. Looks like a tiny helicopter. Oh, I love this picture. It's crazy. It's Red Bull. Not the drink. It's the bull. So anyway, I like this picture. I love it. Good. the other modified cycle with a bike. This is a bike cycle actually. Crazy. And the next is a car. What is this? Wood or cardboard? I think it's made of cardboard. It's modified with cardboard. Anyway, looks good, but it's not. It's crazy. Where? Who made all this? Crazy. Wow, it's a burger bike. Is it a child's bike? It looks like a burger, but it's funny. I think it's a child's bicycle. It looks tiny. Anyway, how can anyone get into it? Crazy. There is no way. How funny. I like it. It's a tastier bike ever I have seen. Anyway, I like it. Wow. What is this? What is this? What wheels are those? The tires are of those of trucks. A truck's carrying a car? It's crazy. Who made this crazy thing? So funny, so funny. The cops are around them. Who made this crazy thing? And our last picture is it's a car. It's a car, not a train. It's a car, but it has 8 wheels, total of 8 wheels. I don't know if it have any stepney. How many stepneys does it have? Oh, it's weird and crazy. How he made all this? It's crazy. But they shouldn't be afraid of puncturing of this car. Anyway, I think it's not a train. It looks like a millipede. Many wheels. There are a lot of wheels for this little car. It's crazy and I don't like it. I feel it's ugly. So it's over. All pictures are over. I think these are all weird pictures. Who can make over a car or a bike like this? It's crazy and funny. I think the designers are crazy, mad. Anyway, I like it, and if you like it, give us a thumbs up and comment below which picture do you like the most and which picture makes you laugh more. And support me guys, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon near to it and support me guys. So this is my first video and I don't know how it goes. This is my first video and I know there are a lot of mistakes in it. So I will make it okay with upcoming videos and please keep supporting guys. So let's see with the other new video tomorrow. So see you. Bye.